Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to download files in Collect. Maybe you want to download a files from your Collect but you don't know how. So in today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can download files from your Collect application. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will be directed into this page in your All Items. You can also see below the boards, Sort Later, and Account. So to download from your Collect, simply long press that item that you want to download. For example, you want to download this photo, simply long press on it, and then you'll see this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And this is an option, Save to Device. Tap on the Save to Device button to download the file. As you can see, content saved. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can download a file from your Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to download a file from your Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.